Hi everyone. So today we are going to build recruitment funnel dashboard in Power BI, and for that what I have done here is that I have prepared a data set. Okay, so it is having certain columns. I would name it out. Okay, so candidate ID, then we have candidate name, department, and gender, job level, like the senior, mid. Okay, then application applied date. Okay, when the candidate applied for this job. Then we have shortlisted it, when we shortlisted, interviewed it, when we schedule an interview with candidate. Then did we offer or not? Okay, so offer date also. Hire date, did we hire or not? Okay, then source, what was the source of applying the job? Like it was job portal, LinkedIn, or consultancy. Then job level details, like okay, then we have locations, we have role, then stage status, and then year, month, quarter, week. Okay, then we have date of week, offered, accepted. Okay, offer, accepted, or rejected reason, what was the rejected reason? Okay, no show reasons. Okay, hiring manager. Then we have cost per hire. Okay, time to hire. So these are the columns which I have taken in our data set, and based on that we will be building the dashboard in Power BI. So I have already imported this data in Power BI. I would show you this data set which I have already imported here, and I have written certain DAX queries. Okay, here certain DAX queries, like if I show you this total shortlisted. Okay, so what I have done here is that okay, I have named as total reached shortlisted. So calculate method and distinct count. This is our data set requirement data set candidate ID. So we have the candidate ID. I'll show you. This is a candidate ID. Then filter all requirement data set and based on stage order. Okay, so what I have done, stage order, we have the stage order as well. Okay, here, so here you would find like applied. Okay, applied, shortlisted, interviewed, hired, offered, and all that. Okay, so similarly I have written other queries as well. Okay, if I show you this one, that total reached offer, see this. So these are the 3 to 4 you have seen. It's a stage order where you would find data as like applied, shortlisted, interviewed. So let me show you that data as well. Okay, so let's click on table view, and when we click on table view, so you would find here stage order, right? You could see this. So stage order, we have 1 2 3 4 5. So based on that, what here you would find the data as 1 is applied, 2 is shortlisted, 3 is interviewed, 4 is offered, and 5 is hired. Then you have to put the numeric value, like because we are using the switch method and true, so that's why we have done it. Now moving ahead, so let's start building the dashboard. So for first I'm going to change the background color. So I'll click on this. I want to select this teal color, and let's put the transparency as 15. So this is the background color, and on this we will be building the dashboard. So first thing first, here is that title, right? So let's make it as, so title name is Recruitment Funnel Dashboard, right? Now let's do some more formatting here. So we are going to select the format. Font is this should be 20, bold. Then let's make it as white, middle. Now let's come to gen effect. Let's make it off. Okay, now it is reflecting, right? And then we can enable the visual border. Shadow should be inside. Color we can select. Okay, inside. Now let's little bit put this here, right? Done. And we can do more for to do. So visual border, if I want to disable, we can disable it. It is not required. Now this looks good, right? Okay, now we have to add here, as we can add now we are going to add the KPIs. Okay, so KPI cards, this I'll select this. Okay, now we have to put the values, this one. Now let's do the formatting here. format painter. I'll put this here, and we have to change category label. I'll disable this. So category is total applicants. Okay, okay, now this should be 12. Okay, and then we have visual call out values. Let's make it 12. Let's make it 15, and the format font would be this, bold, white. Okay, now display is 1500. That's it, no problem. I'll copy this visual and I'll put it here. Total shortlisted. So this is our total shortlisted value. So I'm going to change the title. So this would be total shortlisted. Now again I'm going to copy this, paste, and put this here. This time this would be total shortlisted, then total interviewed, right? Interviewed. So this would be interviewed. Okay, you could see this. Let's copy this again, paste it, copy this and paste this here. Okay, and this would be interview. So total offered, right? Total offered. So I'll change the title. Okay, so we have selected, then we have total hired. Last one is total hired. Okay, done. Now we can do a little bit formatting here. Likewise, now we want to add a funnel chart where we want to show this data in a funnel manner, like first total applicants, then total shortlisted, then total interviewed, and total offered. So what we are going to do, let's add the funnel chart. So this is our funnel chart. What I'm going to do here is that I'm going to select this. Okay, now I want to add the stage. This is the stage. Then I want to add candidate. Okay, rich stage. Okay, this one. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to click here and percent of grant. Okay, so not percent is not good, no calculations, and I'll come here and data labels, none. Okay, so now you could match the data. So total applicants, like a total applied means total applicants, all applicants had applied the data, so 1500. Shortlisted, here it is showing as 1201. Here also it is showing. Interviewed 82, offered 532, hired 246, total hired. Sorry, this is column should be changed, total hired. So this is this one, 246. Okay, now so the data is reflecting here. Now what we have to do, we have to copy and paste it here. Okay, so default color is reflecting that one. If we want to change, we can change. Okay, likewise, then we can go for data labels. So it is 15, color is white. Okay, then we have to go for background color. I don't want to change. Category labels, let's make it white. Okay, done. Then we have conversion rate. So this is also done. Let's make it 12. Okay, bold and white. Done. All values are reflecting now, right? So now what exactly I want to have here is that I want to add switch theme, like I want to show this funnel chart, and on the top of I want to add one more chart. Okay, so nomenclature, let me change the nomenclature first. Okay, so I want to change this as general title. So I want to give the title name as something different. Okay, so is selected candidates. Okay, or the stage wise data we can say. Okay, now what exactly I want to do, let me copy this visual and paste it here only, and I'll say this should be in this data line and structure column chart if I want to show. Okay, so two visuals are reflecting on overlap is happening, right? Now what we have to do, we have to add the button. So what I'm going to do here is that insert button, blank button. Okay, and copy and paste this button here as well. Okay, so first button is this, and I want to go on style, then text, so funnel chart and bar chart. Okay, funnel visual, and we can do the formatting here as white. This should be 12. Okay, middle, and this one we say stacked chart. Okay, stacked visual, and let's do the formatting as white. We are done with this. Now what we have to do, we have to click on view, bookmark and selections. Okay, now we have two visuals. Okay, so first button is this selected, second button is this. So what we have to do, when we select the first button, so what we want to show, the stacked visual. Okay, so this visual is funnel visual. Okay, so what we want to do, when stacked is there, so I want to hide the funnel one, right? So we have hidden. Now click on add, and let's name it as stacked visual. Stacked visual. Okay, now let's click on action, expand this, and then we have bookmark and select this as stacked visual. So we are done with first formatting. Then let's click on second button. Okay, and enable this and hide this one. Okay, now we have to click on a bookmark, add, rename to funnel visual. Okay, now let's click on action, bookmark, and let's select as funnel visual. So we are done with this, right? Now let's see, is it working or not? So if I say stacked visual, see this is changing, right? Formatting here, so formatting we can do it like we can show other colors as well. So this should be 12 white. Okay, now we can say title is stage wise selected candidates, it is okay. Now we can say y-axis layout is okay, y-axis auto values, so it should be 12 and white. Okay, then we have title, so let's click on title, and this would be this 12, and let's show the data as white. Okay, then we have guidelines and all that. Okay, so column, if I click here column, so this color is reflecting. If you want to switch the color, okay, like to other colors, okay, we can switch. So different color will also reflect. Like if I say funnel visual, say this stacked visual, this column. Okay, so this is called switch visuals. So we have implemented this visual logic here on this visual as well. Now let's move ahead and let's add another visual. To add uh, other things here as that line chart. Okay, I want to add the line chart. Okay, so let's add the line chart. So I'm going to copy this visual and paste it. I'll convert this into line chart, and this I want to put this here. Okay, and here I want to show the data. This is the time trend visual. Okay, let me change the title first, data. Okay, now I want to add the data here as right now it is added as stage and current dates, right? So I want to add something different. Okay, because since we have selected the line chart, so we must add total applied counts. Okay, so do we have the month column here? Let me see. This is the month. Okay, and I want to add total applicants. So there's the trending data we are showing, right? Now let's do the formatting. So this would be 12, bold, white. Okay, then we can say it's none. Okay, and then we have title. This would be this 12, bold, color should be white. Then we have y-axis, so values, this would be 12, bold, white, display auto none, let's make it none, title. Okay, this would be this, and then 12, and it should be white. Done. So we are done with this, right? Now other formattings, if you want to do, you can do the other formattings as well. Okay, how you want to show, like dash and custom and all that. Okay, so solid is reflecting, rounded, or some other things. You can show the data linear or smooth. Okay, we can show the smooth color, how the color you want to see, like you want to see this color. Okay, let's add it. Shade area, markers, data labels. If you enable the data labels, you can enable the data labels, right? And then we have title values. So these are the data which is reflecting. Color as per the requirement we can change. Okay, white is okay. Okay, so we are done with this. Okay, trending data we are showing. Now after this, what else we can add? We can add donor chart. Let me copy this visual and paste down. So let me convert to donor chart, and here I want to show the data like source and candidates. Okay, so source wise data. So I want to remove this month, total applicants. So we have the source, this one, and candidate, this data. Okay, so now let's do the formatting. Here you could see this data is reflecting. Okay, so legends we have not used, right? Okay, data labels, so this is okay. Data value percent, and then values should be 12 only, not much. White is okay, all white is okay, display is none. Okay, then let's go and come here, title, training data, it should be which one. Now we have changed, so applicants by source data. Okay, applicants by source data, applicants by source data. Okay, so let's go to legends, text should be white. Okay, then title, let's make it 12. Okay, title, source. Okay, this is okay. So we are done with this. Okay, now let's add another visual, so that would be stacked visual. So I want to show the data here as department funnel breakdown. Okay, department funnel breakdown. So let me remove this. Candidate is okay, let's the candidate be there, and I want to remove the source. I want to add the department, then stage. Okay, this will be converted to this visual, and what I said, I want to add this in the data is added. Okay, so now let's do the formatting little bit. Department funnel breakdown. Now let's do the formatting for this little bit. So I'm going to click on x-axis, should be 12. No, so 9 is okay, and then this, and the title should be auto, so this would be this format. 12 is okay, bold and white. Okay, layout is okay, no problem. Y-axis done. So this is also okay, 9, bold, white, and then title, this would be this, bold and white. Then coming to legend, we have applied legends. Okay, so title is this, white is okay, and title is stage. So this is done. Okay, this is done. There's the color wise it is reflecting what are the color it is added here, so same color wise it is reflecting here, right? Department front breakdown done. Let's switch the visual little bit. Okay, like if I make it short, this is reflecting, so I'm going to use trend line here and this donut chart here, pie chart. Okay, or God chart. Let me add this on God chart and show certain data, like so offer conversion, right? So this is the offer conversion. Let me copy and paste, and I'll put this here, and I want to show other data. Okay, like then we can add one more, like total offered, like direct we want to show that total total applicants and total offered. Okay, total applicants, and we can say total here, total offered, total hired. Okay, so let me remove this. Now we can do the formatting here. Conversion rate, just come here, gauge axis, then colors, it is okay, fill, okay, then data levels are also okay, okay, bold should be white, okay, so background color will have to make it off, effect off. Now we'll do the formatting. Color is this, target, data levels white, okay, then we have target level I do not have, right, so we can still white, and then we have call out values, so we have to click on this, and then we have white and bold, okay, display units, none, we can make it none, done. So we are done with this first part. Coming here, title, offered conversion rate, okay, so it should be, so let's do the formatting here, right, this format painter, put this here, again format painter, put this here, again format painter, put this here, format painter, put this here. Now this is done. So here I want to change the higher conversion. This data is higher conversion, right, and this is what, this is the higher conversion rate, and this is offered conversion rate, right. So I want to show something else here, color, okay. Now this, for this applicant, total applicants, and so we can select other colors as well, okay. Total rate hired, so total hired would be, okay, so let it be. So I'll change the title for this, total hired only, okay, sir. This I'll put this here, this would be like department, do the formatting, this and this, okay. Now let's change the selection values, so this should be drop down, because we have multiple values, and select all, okay, of values would be white, 12, okay, white, not white, I'll put this color, it is reflecting, yes, so let me make it short, department, done. Now let's copy and paste here, and this I would add we can add and gender as well, gender here, so let me remove this, I'll put this, then let's change the title, now let's add source, okay, source here, so this would be source, where is the source, so now let's change the title, source, then let's add job type as well, okay, job type filter wise. So let me remove this, and we have job level. Okay, let me change the title, job level. Okay, so we have added slices here. This space is available, so I want to add the bookmark here. So insert, shape, style this. Clear filters. Okay, this would be this, and middle, done. And what we are going to do, copy this, home, format painter, put this here, done. Now what we have to do, we have to click on bookmark. Let's add the bookmark as this, clear filters. Okay, now let's go to action. Bookmark, and we have to select as clear filters, done. If I select department, okay, so if I say engineering, data is working, department, right? Now if I say gender, only female. Okay, now source wise, see this, right? Now if I select all, okay, all, now job level, junior, right? Might be observing data is being changed. Okay, right? Now we have the clear filters, so just click. Now we can switch the visual as well here, funnel chart, stacked column chart. So if I show the data only departments for finance, and I want to select only male candidates, okay, male candidates. So here also data is being changed, total applicants, total shortlisted, those will be remain same. Okay, then if I say campus, right, job type junior, accordingly data is being changed. See this, mid, data is being changed. So if I say funnel, see this, junior, mid. Okay, so if I say engineering only, engineering, then I want to select male only, I want to select campus, I want to select junior. Okay, say this, job level. Okay, it is being changed. So this is how you can develop dashboard in Power BI, and very simple steps are there. So, and I would put link data set link in description box so that you can download and you can do the practice on that. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching. And also clear filters are there, so you can click on this to clear all applied filters, just like that. Okay, so that's all about it. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.